My name is Rosie.
And this is Poppy.
We're making banana crunch for breakfast.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
This is our mum.
Hello.
Peel the banana.
Hello, banana.
Right, get your knife, Rosie. Cut the banana in half. Ooh,
Push in the ice cream stick.
fresh. Well done.
Cover the banana in honey.
Honey.
Lovely. That's probably enough honey. And twist the bananas around in the honey. Oh, look, they're all gooey. Ooh.
Mix oats and cereals together. Use your favourite cereals.
Rosie.
Roll the banana in the mixture. This one's really sticky. Fit it in the oven for 10 minutes.
In the oven for 10 minutes.
Who wants to play in the garden?
I do.
Breakfast is ready. Done.
Hooray!
Here we go.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Baked banana crunch makes a yummy, yummy breakfast.
Yummy, yummy breakfast in my tummy.